If you're looking to automate lead scoring in Folk CRM, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive into how you can easily set up automated lead scoring within Folk CRM so you can manage your leads more effectively and prioritize the right prospects. Stick around to the end for an exclusive offer to use Folk CRM completely free and gain access to bonuses you won't find elsewhere. Folk CRM is a simple yet powerful tool that centralizes your contacts, organizes communication, and provides automation features to streamline your sales process. Lead scoring is crucial in qualifying prospects and focusing on the ones most likely to convert. With Folk CRM's automated lead scoring, you don't have to manually assign scores to each lead. The system does it for you based on specific criteria you set. To get started, head into your Folk CRM dashboard and navigate to the automation section. Here, you can create custom workflows that trigger based on actions your leads take. For example, when a lead opens your email or interacts with your website, Folk CRM can automatically increase their score. You can assign different values to different actions, so the system automatically adjusts a lead's score based on their behavior and engagement. But it doesn't stop there. Folk CRM also allows you to integrate custom fields. If you have specific attributes that matter to your business, like company size, geographic location, or purchase history, you can add those to the lead score formula. This ensures that your lead scoring reflects not just their actions, but also their potential value to your business. Once you've set up the criteria and the automation workflow, Folk CRM will automatically start scoring your leads in real time. This means you don't need to spend time manually reviewing each lead. The system's lead scoring will help you identify hot prospects faster, allowing your sales team to follow up with the right leads at the right time. If you're wondering how to track the performance of your lead scoring, Folk CRM's reporting features come in handy. You can view the leads with the highest scores, track engagement trends, and tweak your scoring criteria if needed. The platform also allows you to segment leads based on their score, so you can focus your efforts on the most promising opportunities. The beauty of automating lead scoring in Folk CRM is that it saves you time, improves the efficiency of your sales process, and ensures you're always working with the most qualified leads. By the time your team reaches out, these leads have already been prioritized, making your follow-up efforts much more impactful. To take your CRM game to the next level, remember that you can get started with Folk CRM completely free through the first link below, with an extended trial and exclusive bonuses. That means you can dive into these features right now, without any cost to you. Don't miss this opportunity to supercharge your sales process with Folk CRM's automated lead scoring.